we're just pulling into the Whitewater Express Car Wash here in Lansing, Michigan. And we're gonna give this tunnel car wash a try. Wow, they got lots of free vacuums here. I think they're free. Alrighty. Alrighty, so here are wash options here. It goes from $8 all the way up to $22 for the ceramic gold car wash. And of course, we're going to be trying that one, so.
The barcode right here.
Oh, that's awesome. Yep. Thank you. Appreciate it. Alrighty, sorry I didn't film the payment process there. There was an attendant. I didn't want to freak out shooting a video, so. And that's really cool. They have so if my car gets dirty in 3 days and if I want to wash it again, they'll wash it again for free on my receipt there, so that's really nice. Alrighty, and that wash was the top one, the ceramic, the White Rabbit ceramic wash, and it was $22, which is very expensive, so this better be the best car wash I've ever gotten. Alrighty, and here we go. We got light effects and pre-soak and tri-foam and some brushes here. Top brush. More side brushes. Top brush. Two more side ones lower to the floor. Wow, everything happens really fast. There's like 3 different chemicals just got sprayed on the car. That last one was the spot-free rinse, and here are the dryers. And some tire shine going on the floor. Alrighty, well there you have it. It looks like it did a very nice job. I'm giving this wash a 5 out of 5 in quality. Overall, the wash did a very nice job and the car came out looking very nice once it was complete.
Unfortunately, I have to give this wash a 2 out of 5 in value. $22 seems very overpriced for what the wash offers, considering there's much cheaper washes in the area that offer about the same quality for anywhere from $5 to $8 cheaper. I'm giving this wash a 5 out of 5 in overall experience. Overall, the wash was in very nice condition, and all signage and payment system was clearly legible. Plus, the free vacuums and mat washers at the end are always a nice touch. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.